What's going on, everybody out there? This is Sonny from MBucket TV. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Canon VIXIA HF-M30. It's a HD camcorder from Canon. Its cost was $6.99 on the Canon website. I went to Best Buy. It was actually on sale for $5.99, so it was a pretty sweet deal. It boasts a 8 gig internal hard drive. It does have a SDHC card slot, so you can expand the actual capacity of the camera itself. It does 1080p video. It also has a resolution of 920 by 1080, which is very good for you guys out there that want to do any videotaping or video recording. So let's get to the actual unboxing of this product. Just open it up. And when you open it up, you have the usual registration cards, a few program CDs, the manual. Let's see here. What we have the charger cord, the second part to the charger. We have video wire, your standard component wires. You also have HD component video wires, which is very cool. So you can hook it up to your TV and watch HD video on your actual TV from your camcorder. I haven't seen this before, so this is very cool. I'm glad that they have this. What else do we have in here? Wireless remote. Check that out. Pretty cool. For us YouTubers out there, you can now control your camera without having to keep running back and forth to it. And let's see, the battery pack. So right here is the actual camera itself. Pretty clean, a few fingerprints. This is like the third unboxing retry. So yeah, here's the Canon VIXIA HF-M30. It's also touchscreen. Let's just go over things real quickly. Display button, playback button, speaker, battery release, microphone in, headphones, and this right here is the SDHC card slot for expandable memory. On the front we have a flashlight and a flash for taking photos. The strap, pause button. Let's see here, we got the zoom in, zoom out, photo, power, video snapshot, which you can set to be as long as you want. Once you press that video, do a certain time frame of video, whether it's 4 seconds, 4 minutes, you set it. And then it also has the hookup for external flashlights, microphones, and things like that as well, which is a very nice feature. The battery just goes in the back here like this. It snaps right into place once you pull the little release button. I always have a little trouble with it. Turn on so you can see. And there she is. So this is the unboxing of the Canon VIXIA HF-M30. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a few video snapshots, show you the quality of the video, and I'll come back with my review of this product. Once again, it's Sonny here with the review now of the Canon VIXIA HF-M30. This camera right here, HD, very good camera. As you've seen in the video clips, it takes very good pictures, whether it's at night, daytime. Once again, quick rundown: flashlight in the front, flash for photo taking, touchscreen, SDHC card slot for expansion, of the actual 8 gigs inside of the camera, and you can also expand it to as much as you want it to be for your needs. Very good camera. I recommend it for anyone that wants to use it for YouTube videos. Anything, if you can't afford the $2,000, $3,000 cameras that are out there, this is a very good substitute. Has all the bells and whistles and it fit most of your needs. I love it. The battery on a full charge may give you about 95 minutes depending on your use. About 120 minutes of view time if you're just going to view videos on it. So I'm buying the extended battery pack. I recommend getting that, especially for the video people out there. It takes great video. Pictures are okay, but you don't really buy a video camera to take pictures, but you have a digital camera. So it's easy to hold, very light, not heavy at all. Easy on the hands. Everything is ergonomic. Buttons are right where you need them to be. The shutter is very sturdy as well. Doesn't jitter around like some shutters do. You can buy like lenses you can screw on the front for wide angles, and they have like an attachment here. You can put microphones and lights onto it as well. But after using it for a day or so, I recommend it. It's $5.99 at Best Buy. It might not still be on sale because originally $6.99 if you go to the Canon website. That's the Canon VIXIA HFM30. I say go out and get it. I recommend it. So other than that, have a good one, everybody. Thanks for watching this unboxing and review. And just stay tuned for more. It's a sign from M30 TV, and I'm out.